Have you seen this amazing condominium for sale in Sukhumvit 13?
Well, I guess you haven't.
Because it's waiting for you to make it happen.
First of all, let's step inside.
208 square meters,
2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms,
a storage and an open kitchen.
Don't expect to live in there right away.
It is not yet dressed up, but that's the beauty. You get to decide how it feels.
Warm wood, soft lights,
Your colors, your style.
Here's the first bedroom. Good size, bright in the morning. Throw a proper bed, a soft rug, maybe a reading lamp, and it's on.
Here we get the second bedroom. I'll say the master one. Look at that. The view is just amazing. Back in the living area, I will suggest you to remove this wall to extend this room and make an open kitchen, along with a living room or dining room. Back to my favorite part, the terrace. Just picture it yourself. A natural teak wood flooring, soft hidden lighting along the railing, a built-in bench with cushions, and right in the corner, your own private jacuzzi. For more information, just contact us at CondoDee.com.